In this video, I'm going to create texture with wax paper. I'm going to draw some stone shapes all over the entire wax paper. I want to create a watery environment, so I spray water over the paper to create the wet on wet technique. I chose blue and green watercolor pigments and spread them evenly on the paper. I put the stone shapes on the paper and fix them firmly. To add more effect, I spread some alcohol drops. This gives a watery effect. Half an hour later, the effects are quite visible. Highlight the edges of the stones with watercolor pencils. And now softening the edges with a brush. Highlight the alcohol drops with white gouache. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more new videos every week.